Okay, so let's get into practicing how to solve multi-step equations. Now again, we're not going to have any distributing today, and we're not going to have variables on both sides. So there's no step 1 or step 3. We're going to master steps 2, 4, and 5, and then we'll add those steps next week. So step 2 says to combine like terms. Remember, we start on one side of the equation, so we're going to start over here. I have a 2x. There's no other x's, so it's not that, but I have these constants, 5 and 4. They're both positive, so I go ahead and add them together, but first bring down the 2x. 5 plus 4 is 9. Bring down the negative 3. So that was step 2, combining like terms. There's only one term on the right side, so there's nothing to combine. Step 4, I need all of my constants to be on the same side of the equation, and I want them on the other side from my variable. So if you look, my variable is here on the left. So I only want 2x on this side. That means I need to get rid of this plus 9. I'm going to do the opposite of plus, which is minus 9 here, minus 9 there. These are gone because negative 9 and positive 9 make 0. Bring down the 2x. I have a negative and a negative, so add. 9 plus 3 is 12. Keep their sign. That was step 4. Now my variables are on the left and my constants are on the right. I want them separated. Now, I still want this x to be by itself. It is attached to this 2 by multiplication. So I'm going to do the last step and isolate this x by doing the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. This becomes 1x. I don't have to write the 1. Negative 12 divided by positive 2 is negative 6. Put your answer in the box, and you are done.